This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Cause it's bit bad, short with the back, like tips at the front, this fuck, I'm fly like a pelican in my bed, I like in my way, hella quick, they get to the hook up on the elephant, cut my trunk, yeah, it's in the front, of course it's in the back, this a big, this a real big difference, you just want a club, I just need them racks, you just wanna party, so I just wanna rock.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today I'm just doing a quick video on resealing a lowrider wire wheel that was leaking air from the nipples on the spokes. Total nightmare to deal with. I tried resealing the whole band around the nipples on the inside of the rim with 100% silicone. That did not work. So here is my fix that I came up with. Hopefully it holds, but just wanted to share this with you guys.
Send it to them. It's coming up even, look at even up through here.
All right, so we're fixing this wire wheel. It was leaking at the seal. I found on the inside it wasn't bonded well near the spokes. So you can see I cleaned this up with a wire brush pretty good. The next thing that I'm gonna do to get this resealed is I'm gonna clean the entire inside of the rim with 91% rubbing alcohol. And then I'm actually, instead of using silicone, because I tried using silicone the first time, it didn't work, I'm actually gonna use liquid nails, and I'm gonna make a spreader that actually fits this groove perfectly. And I'm gonna spread that, let the liquid nails dry, and then I'm gonna put a layer of air conditioning foil on this so it doesn't get damaged when you put the tire on. All right, so I got my rubbing alcohol, and basically I'm just gonna clean everything really good so it gets a really good bond. I'm gonna need both hands to do this, but I'm gonna also get in here where the bead needs to be laid down. So let me get this clean, and then we'll go to the next step. All right, so here we go. It's all clean. Cleaned it up best I could, hit it with the alcohol. So now we'll seal this. All right, so now that we've cleaned everything up, I got my liquid nails Fuse It. This stuff is gray. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just going to fill in each single spoke first, just so I know I end up getting a good seal. And I can't really do this with one hand, so I'm gonna work on this and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I gooped up all the spokes, and now I'm gonna smooth that out with this custom cut squeegee. I'm gonna need two hands once again to do that, and then I'll show you guys how this is looking. All right, so using the squeegee, I was able to seal that up. That's the where the valve stem comes through. Looks like I got almost everything here. Yep. Yep. So we should have a 100% solid seal on this rim once this cures. So here we are over almost a week later. I had to let this liquid nails set up because what I found was it skinned over, but it was still soft underneath. Now it's really solid. It doesn't look pretty, but I think this is gonna hold air because this is much better than silicone because of the bonding power of the liquid nails on here. So I don't think we're gonna have air leaks. Now, to protect this seal, Josh over at Silver Arrow had suggested that I use this foil tape basically to protect the edges of that. That way it can't get damaged when the tire goes on or off. So I'm gonna put this foil tape on, and then we will get this over to Silver Arrow, and hopefully we have a wire wheel that holds air. All right, again, this isn't beautiful either. I'm sure I'll get stupid comments about that, but Now, when the tire is coming on and off the rim, at least there's something where it won't catch, because we're going to lube this whole thing up, including, you know, the beads on this. But as you can see, I've wrapped it so the seal that I did with the liquid nails won't get disturbed. And again, that's liquid nails Fuse It. I had to let it dry for over a week, so hopefully we're good now. I don't think we're gonna have any leaks, so let's head over to Silver Arrow and have Josh put the tire on the rim, and let's see what happens. Keep our fingers crossed. All right, and Josh got it. Seems to be holding air. So we'll keep an eye on this for the next few days, then we'll put it on the car, and that's a wrap. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.